Okay, so hi everyone. In this lesson we are looking at the hydrangea, and this is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this pretty little flower, particularly because it looks so beautiful when you just draw one of the flowers, and then when you can put it into a big bunch or a big cluster of flowers, it looks even more beautiful. So we've got that in the book, and you can go ahead and practice the different ways to draw the hydrangea in different angles, let's say. And I've also got an exercise in the book where you can draw a cluster, and then we're going to colour that in together as well, because I wanted to show you just a really fun way of using the wet on wet technique with watercolours. So if you want to go ahead and colour yours in, then this is just a beautiful way of doing that. So I wanted to include that as an extra little bonus video. But here's one of my botanical mandalas I created using the hydrangea flower as my inspiration, I guess. And I just love the colours. It's just such a beautiful flower. And this is in the fourness section. So this has a 4-part framework, which is included in the PDF download below. And I've actually popped in the exercise sheets as well. So some of these little pages can go in here. And obviously this cluster one, if you want to have a go at drawing the hydrangea cluster, then you can go ahead and do that. That would be fun. And then there's some other fourness flowers that I've included in here as well. So if you do want to have a practice, you can actually use this framework here. This is the one that's in the PDF. You can use this to draw your hydrangea. You can print it off multiple times, and then you can have a go at creating mandala if you wanted to, or draw one of the other fourness flowers using that framework as your starting point. So let's dive into this gorgeous hydrangea. I can't wait. All right, I'll see you there.